So here we are at the Walmart clearance section, and there really isn't very much here, but I will show you whatever they have. So here we are. Here's a Cuisinart marked down to $150. I'm not really sure what the original price is, but there's the tag. And that's the box. So there is an open box here of the Mr. Coffee for $17.98. That's what it was marked down as, and there's no, I don't know why it's untaped, but they have these containers down here by Starry Light, $5.68, and the bottom one, guys, is $7.73. Here's a Mr. Coffee coffee pot, but there's no tag to that. Then we have some of these candle wax by Better Homes and Garden, but none of them are marked. They're in the clearance section though, but then they're not marked, guys. And here's one Play-Doh. Let's see. So this Febreze vacuum filter is marked down to $17. And then you have these vacuum bags for $4.73. And these filters here are $3.50. And then this water can is $3.07, but doesn't have a top. Alright, so here's another filter here for $17, guys. And then you have some vacuum filters here. Let's see how much this one is. This one is $11. Okay, here's another can with no top, $3.50. And then this one back here is also missing a top. It's marked down to $5.96. This one here, I don't know what this is, or shaker bottle, $1.16. And then they have some more of those over there. So then if we come over here, $4.50 for this vacuum filter. And then this right here is, I'm not even sure what that is, pickle crisp granules. And let's see, $4.94 for those. This cup here, I'm not sure what that's for. That's $2.50, and some more vacuum stuff here. So this plate, this random plate over here, is for $1. And this jar here, I think it might be missing the lid, $2.50. And then they have this Nickelodeon slime. So I don't know if that was opened or not, but it's $14.05. And here is, looks like this one does have the top, this coffee container. I like that copper color. $7.16 for that. We come over here, we have this toy, I don't know, oh, it's a bank, $5. Then they have this curtain, I think it's a curtain, $7.01. So we have this Goals canvas piece right here for, what is that, $4. Then we have, I think this is an essential oil, and one of them is missing from the pack. So it says you save $2.93 and you pay $2.94. And this is an alarm clock for $4.73. Here is a curtain rod. Let's see. I'm not really seeing a price on that. These are the wooden window blinds. Let me see if I see a price here. I know it's taped together, but I don't. Oh, here's the price right here. Okay, so these wooden blinds are $14.03. And then this here is a paper towel holder. I think I like that. That's really nice. That's $5.45. Then you have this handle here. What is that? A screen and storm door handle for $4.99. And there looks like a sink. Is it a shower? Yeah, I think it's a shower. A shower genie. Is it genie? Genius. $27.73. And here's a bracelet type toy, and that's $4.48. And along the wall over here, you have those outlet switches, Ultra Pro for $15. It's a transformer toy, and that one is $40. That one over there, I think it's the same price. Yep, $40. Then you have this toy right here, Transformer Rescue Bots, $24. And mini boat, $7.48. So we have this starter kit here, $14.87. And this looks like a bicycle chain, $5.97. So here we have a bath dust, $2, a bath fizz, unicorn crystal. Then you have these, the Rocket Twist game pack, $3.50. And then they have this remote control truck here for $22.48. Then they have that one. They look really nice. I don't see the price to that one. So then they have this apron right here with the little cactuses on there. That's kind of cute. So I'm not seeing a price on that. And then they have a bonus gift set, critters. It's like a little playhouse for $66 for little critters. Okay, and then they have this bike frame adapter, $10.10. Then you have these, it's a card game, $11.24. And then you have some of these stuffed toys over here. This one says soda for $2. This is like a Paw Patrol for $1. This one here is a Prince Adam for $1. Oh, and look how cute. This one here is $2. So then they have this crafter's tape for $4.16. And I think this looks like a Velcro for $1.99. Let's see. This pom-pom is $1. And then that one there is $2.50. Then you have these light up necklace for $2. Then they have these wheel poster included, $5.98. And then this is a Rolling Stone 300-piece puzzle for $5. And look at these. I don't know, these are kind of pretty. I'm not really sure. I didn't see a price on them. That's pretty though. Oh, they're $2. There's one right there. There's necklaces, and here is some more bike streamers for $1. Then you have this lanyard for $2. And this patriotic, I think that's like, looks like a little key ring or bracelet for $2. And then they have this Star Wars Mega Mixed Value Pack for $6. Then you have that Mickey Mouse. I'm not sure what that is. Some kind of flashing decoration for $3. And then you have those cap rivets for $3. Then you have these green pom-poms for 50 cents. So they have some pens here with some missing. You have 3 missing pens out of this pack, so they marked it down to $3.11. And then this is a flask, Marilyn Monroe flask for $3.49. So this is like a planner, Mr. and Mrs. or a wedding planner. Yeah, wedding planner, $13. Then look at this. Isn't that cute? I like that. Simplicity Vintage, $4. That's zipper type pouch. In here, like from the jewelry section, this is 50 cents each, guys. That's what that looks like. Okay, some more planners over here. And then they have this Not a Cactus, $5. That looks interesting. And then here's a planner for $10. Have some copy paper here. This has got to be wrong. Copy paper, $17.33. That has got to be mismarked. Okay, here is another notebook or a planner with the little rubber band, $5. And then here's some more for $3.53. Pop-up weather pod. I'm not seeing a price, so the price was torn off. I'm sorry, it's $58.88. That's pretty neat though. And then they have some golf balls over here, and those are the Pinnacle for $15.47. Then up there you have some vests for $5, and that nose jammer I'm not sure what that is. But guys, thank you for coming with me to Walmart just to check out their clearance section over here. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.